We're going to be solving merge two sorted lists. Let's read the problem here. You are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists and return the head of the merge linked list. So basically what this is asking is that you're given two lists that are both in ascending order, but they're not in ascending order relative to each other. So you're supposed to combine the two linked lists into one linked list in which it is all in proper ascending order. Hope that made sense. So let's head out right here, and this is how I'm going to approach solving the problem. So let's say you have a linked list like, I'm going to do 2, 4, and let's say you have a second linked list where the value is 1, and then 3, and then 4. So in order to solve this, the best way to do it is to have a dummy head, right? Dummy head, my bad, I spelled that wrong. Set that equal to, whatever, right? And you're going to have a curve pointer that is going to be equal to dummy head initially. So at first, you're going to want to have another two variables that are associated with the head of each list. And you basically want to check, is list 1's value the lesser, or is list 2 value the lesser? You're basically comparing list 1 and list 2's value, right? And then you point to the lesser of the two, and then increment the one that is lesser over by 1. And then you compare those two values. And obviously, 1 is going to be the lesser. And then you, again, increment. And then you check again. Obviously, 2 is less. Increment. Check which one is less. 3. And then you increment. Check which one is less. Doesn't matter. And then increment. And you hit none. And then you can break out of your loop. But you'll always be left with one value that you were unable to fully connect. And then you just check whichever one is not null, and then set that one to the very end. All right. So let's code up our solution. Let's see here. So let's just get some annoying edge cases out of the way. If not list 1 and not list 2, meaning both of them are empty, you return none. If not list 1 or not list 2, meaning only one of them is empty, because we already checked if both of them aren't empty. And if this is true, only one of them are empty, so you return the one that isn't empty. And now we can get into the good stuff. So first, we create our dummy head. And we set that equal to whatever cur is equal to dummy head for now. And then we'll do while list 1 and list 2. And now we will check which one is the lesser of the two, right? If list 1 is less than or equal to list 2, cur.next is equal to list 1. And you increment cur forward. Else, meaning the second list is great or lesser, you'll do cur.next is equal to list2. Or actually, my bad, right here, you should also move list1 forward. List1 is equal to list1.next. And just for the sake of organization, let's keep that up there. List2 is equal to list2.next. And cur is equal to cur.next. And with that, you'll reassign everything and then be left with one little thing at the end that you were unable to connect. So we will check, is list1 null? If it is, then cur.next is going to be equal to list2. If list2 is null, cur.next is going to be equal to list1, and then you return dummy head.next. Return. So let's see if that worked. Whoops. Sorry, guys. You have to check the values, not the node address. There we go. Let's submit it, see if it works. Bang! That's what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Helps a lot. Thank you.